I don't know about you, but the first time I asked ChatGPT to develop different types of assessment items to measure specific instructional objectives, I was dumbfounded. Not only was the process nearly instantaneous, but many of the items were very good, and it seemed at first glance that most were designed according to the rules for good assessment design. Of course, it took a thorough review of each item to identify any design rule violations. In addition to some obvious ones, such as more than one correct answer or no actual correct answer for multiple choice items, there were occasionally questions that made absolutely no sense. It was rare, but it happened. The assessment item design rules detailed in the Guide to Developing Effective Assessment Items need to be applied as best as possible when reviewing the potential efficacy of pre-existing assessment items, whether developed by textbook developers or teachers or AI. These rules should also be followed when developing your own assessments. Up to this point, you have investigated the rules of assessment development as they apply to traditional constructed response and selected response items. These assessment items can be very useful in measuring variables of interest, such as individual skills, specific knowledge, and attitudinal states. But what should educators do when assessing complex tasks or performances? In many such cases, educators need to break down complex applications of learning and develop checklists or rubrics that can be used when observing students before, during, or after the act of performing these skills. The next part of the course addresses the development of analytic rubrics designed to help assess complex tasks and performances.